Welcome to our world of fun! Let's learn together! It's time to study! Let's go! Are you ready to sing, dance, and learn? Today, we're going to meet the 5 amazing vowels. Let's say A, E, I, O, U!
Did you know that almost every English word has at least one vowel? Let's learn what vowels are. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters. Out of these, 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. The other 21 letters are called consonants. Vowels are special letters because they make open, clear sounds. They help us pronounce words correctly. Here are some examples. A, apple. E, elephant. I, ice cream. O, orange. U, umbrella. Every example word begins with a vowel. Sometimes the letter Y can also act like a vowel, as in the words happy, my, and Jim. So remember, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are important because they help us form and pronounce words. Call to action. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, share it with your friends, and follow for more fun English lessons. Hello! I'm A. I am the first vowel in the English alphabet. I love starting words like apple, ant, and airplane. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm E. I'm the second vowel. You can find me in words like elephant, egg, and envelope. I help make many English words. Hello, everyone. I'm E. I may look small, but I'm very important. I appear in words like ice cream, ink, and insect. I also stand alone as the word I when someone talks about themselves. Hey there! I'm O. I'm round and easy to recognize. I begin words like orange, owl, and octopus. Isn't that awesome? Hi, friends! I'm U. I'm the last of the 5 vowels. You'll see me in words like umbrella, uniform, and unicorn. I complete the vowel family. We are the 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. We help make words, sounds, and sentences. Without us, English would be much harder to read and speak. Thanks for listening. See you in the next English lesson. Bye!
Now you know the vowels. I, O, and U. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning every day.